industry, parishrama. Innovation, that means applying your mind, doing things differently. What is innovation? Doing things differently. What is creativity? Inventing something new. Innovation is doing a same thing in a different manner. Whereas creativity is inventing new things which is not there. Right? Discoverable तो क्या है? It is already there, but you don't know. But somebody else has told you, but this is like this is like this is doing like this, okay, well, so that is discovery. Okay. Invention means completely new thing. That is creativity. Okay. Next. Case study. Green Industrial Park. So there is in Telangana. You have got a green MSME बोले तो क्या है? हमने we have discussed that. Micro, small and medium industries. Sukshma, Chinna, Mudharagati, Paisha. That is micro, small and medium industries. They are very powerful because with a small amount, small quantity, small investment, that is 1 crore investment, say, you can generate 4 or 5 jobs. Whereas big industry, for the same 1 crore investment, you will have 1 job or less than 1 job. So that's why government is also concentrating on MSMEs, that is micro, small and medium industries, so that you can generate more jobs, more opportunities, more industries. If one person has a job, what will happen? Suppose you don't have a job, what will happen? You will not earn. Can you educate your children? Can you, suppose some disease or something happens to your child, what will happen? You will not be there. So, he will also suffer. Suppose you have a job, what will happen? You can educate your children, doctor बना सकते हैं, और इंजीनियर बना सकते हैं, और IAS बना सकते हैं, या है या नहीं? If there is a disease, है ना? So that means if job is there, people will go. They can follow. Anybody, yes or no? So